All right, this is a video just to show you how to change a few settings. So you can see down here on the bottom of the screen, you got the green check. That's your quick shot. You got the one with the guy holding the rod. That's your, I don't know what the hell you call it, but that's your more accurate shot, I guess. So anyway, so say you want to change those counts because they have different counts. So go up here, hit that gearbox. All right, so you're precise. Let's call it precise. Okay, so that's for shooting like pins and control. You can set that to 10. And then over here is your quick. That's your green check. So you can set how many shots you want it to take. I generally like to shoot it at 3. Green check it, that'll do that. Now, when we do like control points and pins, I know a lot of us like to dump it and average it. This software doesn't have the averaging feature like the Carlson does, but it's actually built in. So what you want to do is come up here into this 3 boxes down here, those 3 lines. Check that, go into Sure Topo settings. All right, so under that box where it's got precise, that's where you can choose how many times you want it to basically average it. So right now, if you'll see it, it's set to 3. I'm gonna set it to 2, if I can make it hit. Oh, okay, you gotta, not bad. Okay, so you gotta hit the little precise button before those columns become active. That's my fault. So anyway, so you can go in there and you can change it. I usually do 2. All right, so you've got it set. So now go up here, green check it. I guess green check it again. All right, so say we want to set a control point here. So I'll go ahead and hit my little button there. All right, so you can see up here in the upper right corner, it's gonna start taking those shots. It's called epochs. Now, when it gets to 10, which is what I've got it set for, you'll see where it says that group 2 weight up there. Over here, you see it drops the signal for you automatically. And then when it picks it back up, you'll see it'll start counting up here again. When it gets through its count, like yay, it'll ask you if you want to store it. That's when you come down here, you hit your green check. All right, that's where you can tell it where whatever you want to call it. So that is all there is to changing those settings. You can change those for, obviously topo. I'm gonna back out of here because that's not actually the point I want to store. So if you want to go in and change them, like say you're doing topo, you've already got it set to your quick, your quick settings for your average, which is what most of your topo shots are gonna be. You can set that down. You can set it back down to 1 if you want. If you're doing something like shooting striping or something like that to where you don't need 3 counts, then you can do an easier count. Obviously, it'll save you a little bit of time. So, but anyway, that's all there is to changing the settings for storing points.